Welcome to this technical guide on the HP EliteBook Dragonfly. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP EliteBook Dragonfly is making a funny noise, it can be quite concerning. This noise often indicates that there's an issue with the cooling fan or perhaps some loose components inside. If left unattended, it could lead to overheating or even more serious hardware damage, so addressing it promptly is essential. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some tweezers. Make sure you also have an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your laptop. To begin, ensure the device is turned off and unplugged. Carefully flip the laptop over, and using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry the back panel away from the chassis. Be cautious as you do this to avoid damaging any clips. After opening the device, visually inspect the cooling fan, as this is often the source of the noise. Look for any dust buildup or any signs of physical damage. If the fan appears to be the culprit, gently disconnect the fan cable from the motherboard. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the fan in place. Remember to apply steady, even pressure when loosening these screws. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the fan out of its housing. If you find that the fan is faulty, it's time to replace it with a new one. Position the new fan in place, ensuring the screw holes align correctly. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, making sure not to over-tighten them, which could damage the fan. Reconnect the fan cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is seated properly. Before closing the laptop, double-check that no cables are pinched and that everything is in its rightful place. Now, carefully place the back panel on and press down until it clicks into position. Replace the screws to secure the panel. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, regularly clean your laptop's vents and fans to ensure proper airflow. Avoid using your laptop on soft surfaces that can block ventilation. Additionally, consider investing in a cooling pad for added support during heavy usage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.